So again, today I'm gonna be doing a brand new snack review. But before I even start this, I do want to say if you do like stuff to my channel, make sure to give it a like, subscribe, and turn on notification bells on every time I upload, and share my videos and reaction videos and reviews to your friends and me also. So yeah, so today I'm doing like I said before, and also making If you make sure you give all my videos a big thumbs up if you haven't, and also for the algorithm if you haven't yet. So yeah. So today I am doing a review. I'm doing a snack review on two Chips Ahoy cookies. You can probably saw in the thumbnail. I got the two of these that I have. This one is the Chips Ahoy Hershey's Fudge filled. But this was supposed to have with the and the ice cream thing. It's good with ice cream. So yeah, got this to review. And for the other one, this is the Chips Ahoy Hershey's Fudge chocolate cookies with Hershey's Fudge filling. So yeah. I need to so I can do review them. So for the first one I'm gonna be doing, the first one I'm going to do for the review is this the chewy Chips Ahoy Hershey's Fudge filled cookies. So yeah, so I'm gonna have to open the whole from the like you open it like with a bag, chip bag. You're the little some of the little glass thing. Some of you guys know like I did. Some of you guys know I did with some of you guys know with my Oreo reviews. So yeah, you just pour this off. So yeah. So now here's the cookies of these ones. So now we get a cookie. See how it tastes. Tastes really good. Really, really good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Another one. Oh yeah. It does taste good. Yep. Oh yeah. I got definitely it's good with these stuff. I probably also got some ice cream to do with this also, but I don't have no ice cream. But whatever. So yeah. Now I'm gonna be trying the Chips Ahoy. Now I'm gonna be doing this one. The Chips Ahoy chocolate cookie with Hershey's filling. Hershey's filling. So yeah. Now, like I did with the last thing. There's a latch on here also, so you don't have to open it like a chip bag. Like I said, it's just like with the Oreos. So here we go. I'll show you. So you have to. You can probably see it. So yeah. So without further ado, let me get one right now. There you go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It tastes really good. Mm. Oh yeah. Mm. Oh yeah. So now for my rating. Well, probably. Well, for, with the chips. Well, let me go first. I think. But right now I have to food in my mouth, so. So, I'm gonna give my rating. I'll give my rating on this. The chewy chips Ahoy Hershey's Fudge filled. For regular wise, I give it 10 out of 10, and professionally wise, I give it a 90. So yeah, and for the rating for these ones, the chewy chips Ahoy chocolatey cookie with Hershey's fudge filling. What I give my rating on this one? For professionally wise, I also give it a 90, and for regularly wise, I also give it a 10 out of 10. It's really, they're both good. Very good. So yeah, and also if you guys ever want to buy any, some of you guys never, I think I reacted to Disco Balls video on one of these. I think it was. I couldn't remember. I think he did review on both of these. I just couldn't remember because I have a hard time remembering. But I know I reacted to that video. If you haven't seen my reaction video to his review of that, go and check out. Yeah. But also, if you want to find these, go and pick these up. Find these wherever I found them. I got them at my local. I got them at my local Cub. But you can also find them at Walmart also. The Cub Foods, Walmart, Target, any other store that you can actually find these. If you can be able to find them. So yeah. So like I said, if you haven't, go and pick these up if you haven't yet. Like, we don't know. I don't know if it's for limited time only. I don't even know, but who knows? So yeah, that's the snack review. And I hope you guys like this snack review. And I hope you guys like it. And I hope you guys do like. If you don't, then I don't care. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications well done every time I upload. And share my videos and reaction videos and reviews and other stuff I do on my channel to your friends and videos. If you want, your choice. Because I am making it. So yeah. And on the main channel here, we wrote this. On the main channel here, we wrote the 3K subscribers. And on the back channel, Temperature 2.0, Road to 100 subscribers. And so yeah. And that's the end of this snack review. And I'll see you all for more banger reviews, and more banger content, and more banger reviews, and more banger content. So y'all, see you next time. Temperature sign out, and peace out, and peace out, everyone.